Nike is set to launch the Air Force 1 Low Corduroy Pack in fall 2025, priced at $125 and available via Nike.com and select retailers. This release highlights a full corduroy construction with layered vertical and horizontal paneling that gives the sneakers a tactile, textured appeal. A standout is the washed coral edition, featuring a dusty pink upper paired with beige pebbled leather details on the swoosh and heel tab, offering a stylish mix of softness and structure. Clean white midsoles and outsoles provide contrast and balance to the bold material choice, ensuring the shoes remain versatile. By combining classic design with fresh fabric updates, Nike strengthens the Air Force 1's timeless status while appealing to trend-conscious consumers. This collection exemplifies the brand's ability to blend innovation with heritage, keeping one of its most iconic silhouettes fresh and relevant.